Hey, this is how to set up the wireless network on the HL-3170CDW by Brother. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have a router that supports AOSS or WPS, and there would be a button on your router that says either AOSS or WPS. So then you want to come to your up and down arrows right here and scroll down till you get to network, and then press OK. Then go to WLAN and press OK. Then you want to go to WPS AOSS and press OK. Then press the up arrow and it says setting WLAN. Then you want to go to your router and press and hold down the WPS or the AOSS button, and then what it will do is I'll run over to it now and press it. This is a WPS button. Press it down and hold it. If you have nobody with you, hold it down for like 15 or 20 seconds. Just like that. That's 20 seconds. Then you'll come back and it says connected. And then you come here, press the OK key. Back. It's ready. And that's all there is to it.